For many years now, I've been using these extended drill bits that I make by having a rod here with a motor shaft coupler, and that way I can fit in a half-inch shank drill bit, and that helps me with a number of my operations. So I use it with a drill jig like this. This is how I drill out my seats. This allows me to fix my angles very quickly and accurately. And I also use it when I'm doing an undercarriage. So for instance here, you can line it up with where the mortise is going to go in one leg and just literally drill straight across to the other leg and get an absolutely accurate angle. It makes the drilling and the assembly a lot easier. It's a great way to work. But I don't love these motor shaft couplers. They can be a hassle to work with. You're always dealing with the Allen keys. Sometimes they come a little loose and spin on you. And you're limited to a half-inch shank on the drill bit. So that's not my favorite either. So I went ahead and I made some tools that I'm making available for purchase now that have a threaded rod here. I had it threaded and I put a chuck on the end. And this way I can just put any drill bit in there that I want. Anything from half-inch shank down will fit in there, and it chucks up, locks tight, and turns true. So this is something I've produced. You can go to my website and check it out.